Okay, just a quick little video. I'm using a slightly out-of-date version of Q, but I don't think it's going to make that big of a difference. The main thing is I just opened up Q. I have a browser and a layer panel over here, and if you don't have that, you can go to View, Panels, make sure Browser and Layers are checked. And then I'm going to go into the Browser panel, and under the slash I'm going to look under users and then J Howarth, and then there's going to be a projects and a geography, Geogo 310, and then there's our little pie space, and then here's our test data. So I'm going to start just by looking at the test DSM. It's going to give me this little concerned note that I'm just not going to worry about right now. So this was our input data for our little hello white box script. It's a digital surface model. So this is giving you, it's an elevation model, but it's also giving you the height of buildings and tree canopy and stuff. And then we use that to calculate slope. And this is kind of an X-ray view, I think, of the slope. And a simple thing I like to do, I'm going to double click on the test slope to get the properties, and then I'm going to go to Symbology tab over here, and I'm going to switch from black to white to black, basically just invert it. And then I'm going to do one other thing where I change the min to 0, so anything that is 0 slope is going to be white, and then I'm going to change the max to 60, but you can change that if you want to follow along. So anything that is 60 degrees or greater slope is going to be black. So the idea is the steeper, the darker, and that has, I think, a nice effect of creating something that to me looks almost like a pen and ink drawing. So there's By Hall. These are the trees, I think, at the Battelle Beach that are just about to get kind of whacked by the first year dorm. There's the roof at Atwater. And these are, I think, a very quick way to make a readable drawing out of LiDAR data. And it's kind of fun, like you can see the cars kind of pop out in the parking lot. Some of the weird artifacts that happen. This is, below the pedestrian bridge on Otter Creek. This is supposed to be a hydro-flattened data set. And you'll see upstream from the Cross Street Bridge, there are some errors in this data product that we will talk about more when we look at the LiDAR in a couple weeks. Just kind of fun. There's the solar panels by the police station, and you can probably pick out some other things. There's, I think, Otter View Park, right? Anyway, so that point being was just a quick way to visualize the data in Q. And I'm not going to save this project. I'm just going to shut her down, and I'm not going to save it. I'm going to live dangerously, and that's all I really wanted to show you.